Hello and welcome back. Today we have a quick little simple cook. I have some rainbow trout. I have some crab meat that I thawed out, and I'm going to stuff this rainbow trout, but I'm not going to use the crab meat like a crab cake mixture type thing. That's a great method to use for the norm, but I want to leave the crab meat flaky and I like what the rainbow trout is going to turn out if I cook it properly. I sort of kind of cheated, y'all. But I did open up this fillet this trout open a little bit more. It was just gutted before, but now we're actually got it fully opened up, filleted open. I sprayed some butter on the bottom, and then of course my go-to is the Uncle Steve Gator shake. It's great on everything, but on seafood, this stuff rocks. So I got a layer of that on top of the butter, and on inside the fish, I'm just going to spray a little bit more butter on the inside. Crab meat. I picked this back in June, I think it was, and froze it, and we're just going to see if we can't get some of it used. Inside of here. So then on that, of course, I'm going to come back with just a little bit more of the Uncle Steve's. A little bit of squirt or two of lemon juice. Go use Uncle Steve's SPG, which is a salt, pepper, garlic mixture. We'll add a little bit of that in there. And we're going to try and get this thing closed up as best as we can. As I said before, the butter's already on the bottom with the Gator shake, so I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on top and a little bit more of this Gator shake. Some of this butter on this foil some more. I'm going to wrap it up and put it on the Weber. Trying to keep this thing wrapped up tight. I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen, but alright, we got it on the kettle. Gonna leave it wrapped up like that for a little while until I get some heat on this thing, and then we'll unwrap it and see if we can't get a little bit of the smokiness flavor on there. I'm hoping by wrapping it that I'm actually going to be able to hold everything in on that piece of fish. If not, then hey, it didn't work. Alright, let's give it a look-see. See if we can't probe this thing. What kind of temperature we have. We're at 142. Alright, we're at 142. But the next thing I want to say, and I've said it before and I'll say it again because I believe in this product. I won some cowboy product from CJ, Mama and Papa Joe, and everything was great. I haven't even used all of it, but this cowboy hardwood briquette, garlic and onion, I'm telling you, is the shizzle. It's fantastic stuff. I've tried the other brand that's out there. No comparison. This by far blows the other brand away. We are going to throw just a few of these briquettes onto my coals and open up this fish and let it finish with that garlic onion. So I'm just going to put that fish and foil on top of the coals just to try and dry it out a little bit. Hopefully I can move it at that point. Being wrapped in that foil, it just steam cooked it like braising almost. Alright, so I ever so gingerly got this off the grill. I like to see the skin brown up a little bit more, but it is what it is. I'm happy I got it off there in one piece. This thing to taste. That Gator shake gives it a nice citrus flavor. Gotta like fish and crab. Excellent. Hopefully you can see just how flaky that trout is. I don't lose it all. Excellent. Alright, there you have it. My quick video for today. Rainbow trout stuffed with a crab meat, a loose crab meat. Not a crab cake type filler. Nothing wrong with the other way. I just wanted to use the crab meat loosely so it'd be flaky and not a batter type crab cake. Uncle Steve Shake's great product. Love the Gator shake. I'm Lance, Super Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you on the next one.